guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited, y'all. Today I feel like I'm always excited, but like today is really special because I got my hands on a pair of shoes that I've really been wanting. So yeah, y'all, I've been doing a little bit of shopping, a little bit more shopping than I probably need to be, but good purchases. You know, I'm baddie on a budget, bougie on a budget, all of that. And so I got my hands on a pair of shoes that I've been wanting since about last year, I believe they came out, if not the year before that. But they are super pretty, timeless shoe. And I've been a little bit more intentional about the things that I've been purchasing this year, because I want to make sure I'm getting shoes that I can like wear for a long time. Like I'm getting a nice cost per wear out of my clothing and shoes. So I've been getting some really cute things, y'all, some good things, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into this video so I can show y'all what I got my hands on. So guys, I got my hands on these really cute Alexander Wang heels, y'all. So these are the Julie Tubular webbing sandal. They're in a size 37.5. I'll have all of these descriptions in the description box down below. I also have the link to these shoes directly. I'm not sure if they're on sale. I did purchase these from Essence. So a lot of retail stores have been doing like a lot of good sales lately. I think Saks has a really good sale going on. Essence has a really nice sale. And Nordstrom had a designer sale probably a few weeks back. I didn't purchase any. I did. Never mind. And Nordstrom had a really good sale. So I caught these on sale. They were not like a huge discount. But I think these retail for, if I'm not sure, $4.95 or $5.95, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at the top because I can't think of it at the top of my, like, I can't think of it right now. But I got them on sale, and I'll tell you how much I got them on sale for also up here. But they are so cute, y'all. It didn't matter if they were 5% off. I probably just was like looking for a reason to buy these, and I think that was the reason. But I got these in a size 37.5, which is my normal shoe size. You guys know I wear a 7.5 in US sizes and 37.5 in European sizes, and these fit perfectly. I knew in Alexander Wang heels that I needed a 37.5 because for my birthday this past year I ordered a pair and they were too big. I got an 8 to be on the safe side. I got a 38, and I had to send them back. Really disappointed because when I sent them back they sold out like that. Literally, I couldn't reorder the 37.5. So I was like, you know, I need a makeup shoe anyway. I need to like make that purchase up. So here we are, and let me show you what the shoe, let me show you guys what the shoe looks like. Here are the heels. They are so adorable. Let's put them in the right hand. They are so cute. I feel like these are the perfect summer heel, like the perfect dress up a casual outfit kind of look. And I think that's really why I wanted these. Like, I just have so many ideas of outfits in my head on how I want to style these. I love the super square toe here. Gives your toes a nice bed. And even on the inside of the shoe, it has these really nice cushions there. And then it has the Alexander Wang going here. And then of course in this like kind of, I'm not sure what they call it, but this silicone material right there, going across the top of it. But I think this is really cute with some boyfriend jeans, mom jeans, honestly some slacks or something like that. Nice little outfit. Really adorable shoe. The heel height is not that tall, but they're also not that little to where it's like, girl, come on now. But these are so comfortable. I've tried them on, walked around the house in them. I'll also show you guys these shoes on my foot. But I was really concerned about the top being a little too tight, or just, you know how when you wearing a mule or just a sandal with no strap in the back, how you are a little bit concerned about the security of like your foot, if it's gonna fall out, like if you're gonna be walking out of your shoe or not. This is so secure. It's tight, but it's not too tight to where, you know, it feels like it's holding your foot back from like bending in your heels. Really, really, really adorable shoe. The heels are really nice and sturdy, even though they're nice and sleek and slim. I love that about this. And then also, they're just a really cute overall shoe. Like, I just have some outfits, like maybe a jogging suit set, you know, with some little heels on, you know, something really slight. But I think that's going to be really cute in these babies. And I have not worn them out in like public to know if they're like super comfortable, but like just walking around the house in them, they feel really nice. I'm not sure about the longevity of like how long I'll be able to like stand in them. If I suggest wearing these to like a stand-up event where you know you'll be on your feet all day or walking a lot, I'm not sure just yet, but as soon as I find out, I'm going to come back in the comments and like update you guys. So just look down in the comments if you're looking for that, because yeah, I need these to work out. So fingers crossed, fingers crossed. So let's look at the shoe on my foot and let's talk about it. For this video, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Like, have you guys been eyeballing this shoe as much as I have? What do you guys think? Are you considering purchasing this shoe now? I don't know, just let me know if you have these shoes, like just some problems that you may have that I need to be aware of, and things like that. But I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.